How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be talking about hand grip advantages. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So in this video, I'm going to go over the advantages of using hand grips. By the end of this video, you are gonna love hand grips. Now, one thing I will apologize for is that I really want to, and I will be doing this, I will be starting to incorporate hand grip exercises into these videos. So far, I'm just talking general knowledge about hand grips. In a couple of days, it's the weekend, I'm going out, I'm purchasing some hand grips, and in this video, not in this video, but in the next couple of videos and all the videos from now on, we will be doing hand grip exercises. So until then, we're just gonna go over some general knowledge about hand grips. Hopefully this will get you guys motivated. I'm super pumped up to continue my training with hand grips. So what are some advantages of hand grip training? People want to know. The number one advantage is that your forearms will get super jacked. If you're looking to get bigger forearms, this will help. Trust me on that. Another huge advantage is that your grip strength will be absolutely killer. You'll be able to grip anything. Trust me, you will be able to grip anything. When I was finished, when I started doing hand grip training in about 3 months, I took my hand grip strength from being able to close 150 pounds of resistance for like 5 reps to doing 300 pounds for 10 reps, which is insane. My deadlift grip went from doing 315 grip to doing 700 pounds. I can't deadlift 700 pounds, but I can hold it in a rack. My best deadlift is 600 pounds, and my grip strength held up. It was insane. Nothing failed with my grip at that amount of weight, just because my grip was so developed. Another thing that you can do for grip training is you can do dumbbell curls, dumbbell forearm curls. That's another method that has helped my grip strength absolutely explode. All you do is you have the dumbbell to your side, and then all you do is you go like this with the dumbbell, and you can see your forearms working. That's all you do with a dumbbell. I was doing 120 pound dumbbells, and I was doing that. You can use pretty heavy dumbbells, and it will really develop your forearms. But again, this video is to talk about the hand grips. I highly recommend you guys go out and purchase them. I'm not trying to sell you guys anything. I don't advertise anything on my channel anymore. Before I used to, but I don't do any of that. I don't advertise anything. I'm just honestly saying that you guys should go out, if you don't have these already, and purchase some hand grips. They're super cheap. They're like $6 or $7. So if you guys really can't afford it, but you have a gym membership, just cancel your gym membership for a month and then buy the hand grips. Generally, gym memberships are like $50 or something. Hand grips are like $6 or $7 for one. So what you could do is just buy one, and then once you move up in weight, go buy another one, and then go buy another one, and go buy another one. That's what I did. I actually bought 2, and then I waited until my grip strength was up, then I bought another 2. So I bought 150 and 200 pounds, waited till my grip strength was at 200 pounds, then I bought 250s and 300s. So right now, I can close 250s, no problem, like super easy. I can bang out like 20 reps. 300s, I can right now, I haven't been training my grip in a while. I could probably get 2 or 3 repetitions in. Once I get back into training my grip, with 300 pounds, I could probably, again, get 10 reps pretty easily, but it'll take me a little bit of time to build back up to that. Just like with my deadlift. I haven't deadlifted in quite some time, if I went to try and deadlift, I wouldn't be able to do 600 pounds. I've actually tried this. I can deadlift 550 any day of the week. You put me in the gym, I can do 550. But anyways, we're not talking about deadlifts, talking about hand grips. Go get some hand grips if you haven't, because starting pretty soon, we will be doing a ton of hand grip exercises on this channel. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it, and please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999.